All right. Good morning, traders. So let's take a look at the market, see what we got going on here. All right, so taking a look at it, we've had some development since last night. Let's see, we eventually we broke that area that we were looking at. Um, that support came down, and it became a pretty strong resistance area. So we came down and we touched this area right here, this support at the 78.60 from our daily time frame Fibonacci. Let's take a look and see what we're looking like there. Interesting. All right, so take a look at that, right? So it came down and we touched, or went a little bit beyond, but it's in this area nonetheless, and it pushed up, and it's been kind of pushing up ever since. Um, so let's take a look and see what that looks like. Let's see why we got that push up. So I'm gonna go to the 15-minute chart real quick. Take a look and see. All right. So if I put a fib on that, I can pretty much guess that we're looking at 61.8 pullback retracement right in this area. If we go from the swing high to the swing low. So let me put a fib on that real quick. I'll do it from right here, this area. Come on down. Yep, it matches up perfectly. See that? And I know it's a little jumbled, but 61.80 nonetheless. If we go from this swing high to this swing low, um, this area right here is obviously a significant area for retracement and pullback. So that's probably why we're starting to see a reaction here. So we can wait and see how it plays out for a little bit. Continue to watch the lower time frames and see how this is developing. All right, we see right here we got a bit of a doji there, and then on this 15-minute candle, it's coming down. So this area right here seems pretty strong to go back to the downtrend direction. So if you feel comfortable, if you have enough evidence if you feel like you have enough evidence to put a order in, going back to the downside, that's you'd be well within your right to do so. That's it's this support, this resistance area might be holding up. Let's see, take a look at it again. I will probably need to see one more candle. I would like to see, what I would like to see though is, I would like to see a red candle though. That's bouncing off of this area, even on the lower time frame. So we haven't had a red candle just yet. So red candle is a good indication that we are in that reversal phase. So that's what I would like to see to feel comfortable getting into that, for a continuation in the down trend direction. So bearish on that one. We get that close as always. If we get that close above this area, then you could possibly look for a trade, going up to this next area of resistance. And let's see what the pip count is. So if we did get in a trade right here, we're looking at about 40 something pips. It's not bad. It's not a bad pip count. Let's see if we get in our trade going back towards the downside, which seems to be the trend right now. So it's a downtrend. So remember, we always want to look to take trades with the trend and not against the trend necessarily. So with the trend, it's pretty much the safest bet. All right, so we're looking at 50, 60 pips. We get that move to the downside, right? So not bad, not a bad look. Not a bad look at all. So let's see. Let's take another check. See what we're looking like. Let me look at that 5-minute real quick. I want to see again. I want to see this. I want to see this red. I want to see this red before I feel comfortable really getting into this this market for a downside continuation of the downtrend. So let's see how it plays out, and we'll kind of go from there. But that's the information. That's what we're looking at. That's how the market seems to be developing on GJ right now. We're playing in some levels. And as always, watch out for the consolidation. We probably shouldn't have too much consolidation today. Looks like there's a bit of volume in the market. I guess everybody's trying to get some of that last minute pips, get build them accounts up a little bit for this Christmas holiday. So, all right, I will put something out a little bit later for everyone to see. And we'll see how this right here takes shape.